Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, October 21st, 2022.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's weather. High of 77, low of 54, sunny, 2% chance of rain.
Friday, October 21st, 2022. For breakfast, we have a Pop-Tart, string cheese, fruit, and juice. For lunch, we have chicken bites, Dutch waffle, yam patties, garden salad, fruit, and juice.
Today's announcements. Today will be the last day of the book fair. Please be sure to get your shopping done before it is gone. Newscast Team 5A will be meeting in Miss Gibbs' room this morning at 9:15. See you then, newscasters. Late duty, Miss Zimlich.
Important dates. October 21st, Kona Ice. October 24th through 28th, Red Ribbon Week. Also on October 24th, there is a faculty meeting. On October 27th, Read for the Record. October 28th, Feel Good Friday, book character dress up.
November 2nd, no tardy party for students with no tardies or early dismissals during the month of October. November 11th, Veterans Day, no school. November 16th, PACE field trip. November 21st through 25th, Thanksgiving break, no school.
Happy birthday! Friday's
birthdays.
Autumn Wells, Ari Knight, Tyrek Schamberger, and Nova Hadley.
Bullying Prevention Week.
Good morning, Cape Shepherd scholars. What's the difference between bullying and conflict? Conflict is a different disagreement that happens when people do not agree with each other. They are not purposely trying to hurt each other. The people involved in the conflict have equal power to solve this problem.
Bullying is unfair and one-sided. It happens when someone keeps picking on someone on purpose. The goal is to make someone feel bad about themselves, and that's not okay. Bullying is on purpose and repeated over time. To help recognize bullying, ask yourself these questions. Does it continue to happen even though you are told the person to stop?
Is the person making you feel scared or bad about yourself?
Does the person have more power than you do?
Talk in your classes about situations and decide if they are examples of conflict or bullying.
Send us your questions. You can submit your questions in the question box that will be located in the library.
Question of the day.
Miss Overstreet's class asked, how old can a shark be?
Adeline and Cohen have researched this question and found the answer. A shark can live to be up to 20 to 30 years old.
That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday.